Hello guys, today I will be showing you how I got my ginger color. So watch with me. First of all, this is my customer. She came with a natural hair. She wanted to get something different, something nice. So she asked for a ginger color. So this me sectioning the hair into 4 different places. Section 2 to 4 different equal parts. Is well, when I was done sectioning, then I brought my tinting powder. This is my tinting powder. And this is my developer. So I added my developer and my tinting powder together. This when I was done tinting her hair, she was feeling a bit itchy on her head. So we just have to wait a little bit. She was feeling a bit pain. So we just have to wait a little bit before we wash. This is me washing. And this is when I was done washing the hair. And after the pain, she was eating, she was enjoying herself. She was eating, I was drying her hair. Then I brought out my second dye, and it's an adult dye. I added a little bit of adult dye in a plate. Then applied on her head, put on a shower cap. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. This is me washing off the adult dye. And this, when I was done washing, she decided to weave her hair. This is the color. This is ginger color. Then she weaved her hair, did that. We weaved her hair, did. Then she came to next day. She came to next day to make a braid. And this is the outcome of the braid. This is the outcome of the braid. This is how the braids look like. And she enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.